2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?